Find out the compound interest on rupees 480 at 16 2 by 3% per annum for 2 3 by 4 years. So here an amount of rupees 480 has been deposited in a bank at compound interest. Now let's say this is the time scale for the amount deposited. This is first year, this is second year, and this is third year. Now we have to find out the compound interest at the end of 2 3 by 4 years. So what this means is 2 full years, that is till here, and 3 by 4th of the third year. So third year, if we divide into 4 equal parts, then 3 parts of these 4 parts. So that is till this point here. So this is 2 3 by 4 year. Now each year the amount of interest is 16 2 by 3%. Now because compounding is being done annually, so at the end of first year the interest of 16 2 by 3% is calculated on the principal amount at the beginning of the first year, which is rupees 480. So the amount at the end of first year, let's say, is P1. This will be equal to the principal, which is rupees 480, that is P, plus the interest gained during this 1 year. Let's say this is I1. Now for the second year again, the rate of interest per annum is 16 2 by 3%, and this 16 2 by 3% for the second year will be calculated on P1. So at the end of second year, the amount will be P2, which is equal to P1, which is the principal at the beginning of the second year, plus the interest gained during the second year, which is I2. Now for the third year, since we are not accruing interest for the entire year, but we are accruing interest only for 3 by 4th of this year, the rate of interest will become 3 by 4th multiplied by 16 2 by 3. So 3 by 4th portion of the rate of interest is the interest accrued during this 3 by 4th of the third year. So the amount at the end of 2 3 by 4th year will be P3, which is equal to P2. P2 is the principal at the beginning of the third year, plus the interest gained during this third year, which is I3. Now we know that for compound interest, amount is equal to P multiplied by 1 plus R by 100 raised to the power n. So here let's take it year by year. So the amount is equal to principal, which is 480, multiplied by 1 plus R. So for first year the rate of interest is 16 2 by 3. So 16 2 by 3 divided by 100 to the power n. Let's say this is for first year, so this is 1. So we don't need to put anything. 1 means there's nothing here, that means 1. Now for the second year, this is the principal amount, because this includes the principal at the beginning of first year and the interest accrued during the first year. So this becomes our P1, and to that we have to add the interest gained during the second year. So how we express this is, again we multiply this expression with 1 plus 16 2 by 3 by 100. So this is for the first year, and this is for the second year. Now for the third year, the tenure is only 3 by 4th of the year. So to this we'll multiply 1 plus 3 by 4th of the interest rate, which is 3 by 4 multiplied by 16 2 by 3. So 3 by 4 multiplied by 16 2 by 3 divide by 100, and this will again be raised to the power of 1 because we are considering the 3 by 4th of the year as the compounding period in the third case, in the case of the third year. So we have taken 3 by 4th of the interest rate, and that is the entire compounding period. So this is for the third year. So now let's solve this equation. So 480 multiplied by 1 plus 16 threes are 48 plus 2 is 50. So 50 by 3 divided by 100 multiplied by 1 plus 50 by 3 divided by 100 multiplied by 1 plus 3 by 4 into 50 by 3 divided by 100. So this is equal to 480 1 plus 50 divided by 3 into 100, 1 plus 50 divided by 3 into 100, and 1 plus 3 gets cancelled. So 50 divided by 4 into 100. So 52s are 100, 52s are 100, 52s are 100. So 480 multiplied by 1 plus 1 by 3 2s are 6 multiplied by 1 plus 1 by 3 2s are 6 multiplied by 1 plus 1 by 8. So this becomes 480 multiplied by, so we can take 6 as the LCM here. So 1 6s are 6 plus, so 6 1s are 6 multiplied by 1 is 1. Again the same thing, 6 plus 1 divided by 6, and this becomes 8 plus 1. So let me solve it here. So this becomes 480 multiplied by 6 plus 1 7. So 7 by 6 multiplied by 7 by 6 multiplied by 9 by 8. So 6 8s are 48. So this becomes 80. 8 and 80, so 10. So this becomes 10 multiplied by 7 multiplied by 7 multiplied by 9 divided by 6. So 2 3s are 6 and 2 5s are 10 and 3 1s are 3 and 3 3s are 9. So this is equal to 735 rupees. Now this is the amount at the end of 2 3 by 4 years. But we have to find out the compound interest. So we have to subtract 480 from 735. So the compound interest is equal to 735 minus 480, which is equal to 255 rupees. So this is the compound interest obtained at the end of 2 3 by 4 years.